Londhari is blessed with natural habitat in its richness, where domestic animals dance in harmony with the surrounding beauty. Deers graze and browse the fields with their supple and graceful steps. Cows ploughing the land to the tunes of the bells ringing. Blessed with nature, the farmer wholeheartedly contributes in dedicated service towards the land to grow the crops and vegetation. Ajanta Agro Company has invested technology and resources. The company owns tractors and well-fed cattle plough the organic land.